Hello everyone, we're here at Fraser Gt Classic Cars in Roswell, Georgia. We're here to show you a 2007 Shelby GT500 Convertible. Exterior is a beautiful torch red. We have a two-tone black and red interior. You see the car has a GT Premier trim package. We have the original Ford window sticker displayed. This monster has a 6-speed 5.4 liter V8, putting out 500 horsepower. This car is one owner, low mileage, 12,650 miles. Has new Goodyear Eagle F1 tires with the machined aluminum wheels and SVT caps. It's a spotless, clean Carfax. This car has been completely show detailed and it's as new. What makes this car super rare is that it's only one of 809 produced with this color combination out of a grand total of 10,847 Shelby GT500s in that first year, 2007. This is a super rare show quality racing machine. If you're a thrill seeker and you would enjoy owning this vehicle, visit our website, www.frasergt.com. We'd be happy to give you some more details. Thanks for watching, guys.